Welcome friends. In this C programming tutorial, we will be learning about operators. What are operators? An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulations. If you don't get the idea about the operator from its definition, don't worry. We will look some examples in C program that you'll get exactly what is operator. For now, we'll go ahead and look at some types of operators in C language. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, and some miscellaneous operators. So let's go ahead and have a deep look at these operators.